kept secrets travel.
One of the main things which I recommend to anyone who does go out to Indonesia is don't just try and do the super touristy things. Make sure that you're also going and doing the really fun, slightly different things. I highly recommend anyone, if you're on a gap year or if you're going at any age, is try and have as many cooking lessons as you can. It's completely different cuisine to anywhere I've ever been in the world. I've probably had 5 cooking lessons in Indonesia, and every time I've learned something new.
Why you're such a bad cook? You've only had 5.
Their main dishes are things such as nasi goreng or mie goreng. Nasi goreng and mie goreng are very similar. Someone out there is going to slaughter me for saying that. The biggest difference to me from exterior perspective is nasi goreng uses rice, mie goreng uses noodles. Typically they try and use as much leftover rice or noodle from previous nights and as much leftover meat, fish or anything else, but you can just add that at the end anyway.
Who's your favourite egg fried rice creator?
He is Malaysian, but he's super funny, and we both watch him as Uncle Roger on YouTube. He does egg fried rice, but there is certain episodes where he does look at nasi goreng. I was about to say that they're similar to nasi. They're not similar, but there's similarities. And I believe when he reviewed Gordon Ramsay, that was Gordon cooking a nasi goreng.
Yes.
And he used leftover rice, and he was in Indonesia. But it's super lovely food. If you're on your gap year and about to go to university, learning the basics of cooking proper noodles, proper rice, make a huge difference to your experience as well. And they're super fun, super tasty dishes. I've also learned pad thai. One of the favourite things out there as well, super easy to cook once you know how to do it, is chicken satay. So it's a very basic barbecued chicken skewer, and then you make a lovely peanut sauce to go with it. If you're not a massive fan or you're allergic to peanuts, there are other alternatives you can do.